To build recipes for cocktails and food in Backbar, log into the Backbar web portal and select Inventory from the navigation menu and then choose Recipes. Click Add New Recipe. Enter the name of your recipe and select a recipe type of cocktail or food. Next, click the drop-down arrow in the Add Ingredients box to begin adding recipe ingredients by selecting the ingredients from your inventory items. Remember, to select and add an ingredient to a recipe, the item needs to be saved as an inventory item. You can't add miscellaneous items to a recipe. Once you select an ingredient, input the volume and measurement unit used for the recipe. The total cost of your recipe will update as you add more ingredients and volumes to the recipe. For costs to be calculated, each item needs to have costs entered. After you've completed the recipe, you can see cost percentage, menu price, and profit for the new recipe. Adjust any of these fields to see updates to cost information. When you're happy with your recipe costs, click Save at the bottom of the page to save recipe information.